Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to create a custom paintbrush. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is let's go ahead and say you got the picture that you want to turn into the paintbrush. Like let's say I have this jackhammer right here. I want to turn it into a paintbrush, make sure it's on its own layer. Rectangle, select it. Control C to copy it. Now this is on your clipboard. So if I were to go ahead and click on my clipboard up there, try to say that 3 times fast, I will see that the jackhammer is actually right here. So now if I unselect and I open up any one of my brushes, I can do paintbrush, airbrush, I'll do paintbrush, and then now you'll see that it's on the clipboard and I will be able to draw in jackhammers now. If it goes ahead and lets me select pencil, and then yeah, so actually I have my layer is a little bit weird on this photo, so it wasn't letting me do it at first, but as you see, now I can go ahead and do that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. If you want to change the color of the object before you do the rectangle select, just color in the object with whatever color you want the brush to be, and then it will be in that color when you copy it to your clipboard. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.